Hey, I'm here in the gym. It's Thursday night. I'm going to do a quick interview with Juel about the Thursday night Crock-Pot Cooking Class. So here Juel is, and maybe you can just tell us a little bit about what's going on in here.
Hi, we are gathering as 6 households tonight that will be learning how to cook in crock pots. We're going to be doing cutting tonight and vegetable cutting, things like that. But we found that there's so many people that were using chicken nuggets, macaroni and cheese, and frozen pizzas to get by. And we're offered by Feeding America fresh food. The thing is not everybody had a way to cook it, and not everybody had the skills to cook it. So it's time to teach some skills, to give some recipes, and to help people nurture families into sitting around the table. We've asked each of our families to give us 30 minutes a night to turn off their screens, sit around, eat together. We've given them little handouts that have a scripture. We've given them handouts with kid to parent questions, kid to grandparent questions. We have all sorts of different ethnicities, and we're trying to match the food that we're given by Feeding America, adding just a few extra elements ourselves that we can, that we were sponsored with a grant. And at the end of this cooking class, we're gonna have everybody that graduates. Right now, they've either got their own old crock pot or a loaner from us. When they graduate from this class, they get a beautiful brand new crock pot. They get utensils. They're getting books of devotions. They're getting we have kid-friendly knives. We have the safety pieces. At Shirley DeLong's recommendation, we got everybody little thermometers for their kitchen. But when they leave here each night, each Thursday night, they have 5 meals that are ready and prepared. They get up in the morning, drop them in a crock pot. It goes from freezer or refrigerator to the crock pot. So working moms that are teaching school to their kids and doing all those things in 2020 that we never thought we'd be doing, we're just trying to make their lives a little easier. And God's blessed us with a bounty of fresh ingredients, and we're doing that to bless them and our community around us.
That's awesome. Can you show me a little bit about what's going on with these tables over here?
Sure, let me get a menu here
so
I know what we're talking about. So everybody gets menu sheets with recipes. And here's a table. When they're done tonight, they will have, the package will be ready for potato soup. So they're gonna learn to chop up some celery, some onions, and some carrots, add it to some broth, and we're gonna add some flaked potatoes even, and some real potatoes to give it texture. These are fajitas. We have chicken fajita meat that's come with us, and we're gonna add it to the crock pot with some tomatoes and some peppers and some onions. And we have our tortillas here. There's some spices all ready for them. An old favorite of ours, we got gifted with packages of ham. So it's gonna be ham, green beans, and potatoes. Simple, easy meal, fresh and wholesome. Same thing, goulash. Everybody likes goulash. And so we have that. We've got ground beef already cooked for them. We're gonna package that. And this one is pork. Feeding America gave us packages of a pork taco meat. We're gonna make a casserole with rice, black beans, corn, and taco meat.
So how many different meals do they go home with tonight then?
5.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yep.
That is spectacular.
So
why don't we do a quick tour of the kitchen and kind of show what's going on in there a minute, because I think that's really interesting as well.
Sure.
These tables look amazing. Aprons, distant from each other.
Yep.
It's so cool. All right, so we're just going to go in the kitchen here past the people that are playing support. Hello. All right, so what's going on here?
So this is our staging area. This is all our containers and our stuff here. We've got ground beef cooking behind us. We're gonna start packaging cheddar cheese for everybody to take home. There's ground beef. We have chicken meat that's already cooked and our taco stuff, and we're keeping it cold in here. We're not going to put it out on the tables till we're ready to use it.
And I think a lot of the reason you're getting everything ready ahead of time and package up is one, food safety, and then
Right.
also so people don't have to be near each other.
They don't have
It
to
goes
be,
to them,
right.
then they take it out the door. They don't have to hang out.
No, they don't have to hang out. They're going to be in here doing some cutting, and we're trying to teach the kids how to prep some vegetables, how to cut carrots, how to cut celery. They can be a part of the meal and take some ownership in it.
That's awesome.
So, yep,
So how many weeks is the class?
the class is 6 weeks. This is week 2.
Awesome. Thanks so much for telling me about it.
You're
and
welcome.
have a great night.
Thanks.
All right.
Appreciate it.